The main difference is now is the weather, of course. One of the reasons I came to Spain just to enjoy the life, the weather. But in football is a lot of differences. The way of playing in Spain, play to win more than in Holland, and that's what I like as well. It's very easy. Train, learn some Spanish, really tranquilo, and that's also a really different way of living than in Holland. Masia Fresia, I like it a lot. Something I've never seen before. Visiting the center as well. The mountains, I went with my family. That's what we don't have in Holland. Barcelona, of course. I like really the center of Terrassa because I live close. There are a lot of people that I know now and come together and have a good time. Good, yeah. I've been here now for almost 1 year. In the beginning it took a lot of differences because I don't speak Spanish, but now I learn Spanish. I'm really getting into the group. It's fun. Probably Mario. Sí, Mario. I like him a lot. Messi. Me gusta. I don't know. I know so much words, but I don't think so. I want you to support us, even if we lost. We see you come to the games, and we really love that. It gives us a lot of energy. So keep doing that, and we're gonna do our best.